What's up, everybody? It's the Days of Freedom. Hey, this story just popped up on my phone of a police officer being hit by a train, and his body cam recorded it. So I've never watched it yet, so we're gonna check it out together. Thought I'd try a little commentary. So here we go.
911.
Yes! He's gonna make a full recovery though. Let me guess, they're gonna charge the train driver too. They probably will, knowing the police. They'll probably try to charge the engineer. But no, in all reality, I hope no one dies. But out of all the people on the earth, I would prefer, if anybody has to, it's cops. Because in the time I've been doing this, and I've been doing this for a year and a half, and I've had so much contact with police, it's not even funny. I have not found one single cop who won't violate your rights or lie straight to your face or look at you as you feel you're just a criminal that ain't been caught yet. So with that being said, hope everybody's having a great day. God bless y'all. Peace.